Hello boss, you are losing your customer right now for not delivering your order on time. Your expert is sick, that's why you cannot deliver the product on time, and without your expert you cannot operate the machine. Why? Why you are using the traditional one? Why you are doing like this way? If you are producing this cable like this with a copper belt, then you need expert. It will need extra material like this copper belt. So I have a solution for this type of problem. You can see the sample. We are pairing cable together 2 to 1, 1 to 1. We can easily do it by a normal people. Anyone can use this machine and do like this, and it will save your material cost and it will save your time, and it is so quieter and zero resistance. The machine is zero resistance mystery. No need to worry about any accident. And you can see it takes like 1 hour to make a perfect shape for your cable. Look the sample and look the strong machine with 2000 watt machine. It can deliver you a perfect shape, and it can reduce the time. It can save you the material cost. Just two cable. You are holding two cable and just put the two cable together and pressed by the leg. It is done. You can see it is done. Super easy. You, me, and anyone can easily operate it within 1 or 2 seconds. So this is the solution if you are facing this type of problem. If you are boring with your work, if you are worrying that you cannot deliver the goods, you cannot deliver the order properly on time to the customer, and you are still losing the customer. If you don't want to lose your customer, if you need more customer, then you just need a machine. You can deliver on time, you can save your money, you can save the material cost also. So it is high time to change the machine with our machine, more safe machine. Thank you everyone.